Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is composite functions. Fg of x means apply g first, then f. The g is closer to x, so g goes first. By the end of this, you'll know the right to left rule and why fg of x is not the same as gf of x. Definition: fg of x equals f of the quantity g of x. The output of g becomes the input of f. So you're applying two functions in sequence, g first, then f. The notation looks like multiplication, but it's actually composition. Two operations stacked. Key insight: read right to left. The function closest to x is the one you apply first. So in fg of x, g is right next to the x. G goes first. Then f acts on whatever g produced. Fg of x is not the same as gf of x. The order matters, exactly like the order matters when you do operations on a calculator. Common mistake: reading composite functions left to right. Resist that instinct. Composite functions go right to left. The inner function evaluates first, the outer function second. So double check the order before you start calculating. Quick example: f of x equals 2x plus 1. G of x equals x squared. So f g of x equals f of x squared, which equals 2x squared plus 1. Now if you reverse it, g f of x equals g of 2x plus 1, which equals 2x plus 1, all squared. Completely different result. Order matters.